Okay, so this is a Sirocco fan, and this is a quick guide on how to replace the remote control receiver in the Sirocco fan. Very, very simple. You'll see the ring here, decorative ring that reveals the two screws that support the canopy. We have to release one of those screws entirely, as it's just a hole straight through there, and then the other one is keyholed, so we can then drop the canopy down. We then reveal what looks like an intimidating mass of wires. All we're interested in is these three push connectors here. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna, obviously we've made sure the power's off. You need to be confident the power is off. We're going to release those, and then those three are released. That's the remote control receiver that we're taking out. We have handily our replacement remote control receiver here. They go in with the flat section label facing the ceiling. Slides in. Then we look for the same push connectors, and we make sure we have them around the correct way. So make sure the connection is the same on both, with the connector there. That's the first one. Second one, again making sure it's the right way around and the colours match up, is there. And then the third one, which controls the light, is there. And again, 3 push connectors done. We then neaten up the cables. I use cable ties to neaten those up, and then the whole lot goes back up the same way it came down, canopy up, screw in, and decorative ring. And that's how you place the remote control receiver on the Sirocco fan.